We are absolutely chock-a-block. I can't open the back there because everything will fall out. Look at that. Literally the edge. You're right there, Ula.
Yeah. Let's go. I need a wee.
Rammed. My little spot. All right, let's hit the road.
Hello, everyone.
Hello, you guys. How you doing?
We just wanted to jump on here today to let you all know that we have sold Inca. We have found her the most lovely new home, and we couldn't be more thrilled with her new owner.
Such great news, really. We're super excited. We were buzzing off her excitement, and yeah.
So we've said goodbye. We said goodbye to her. We've popped all of our stuff into storage, and we're about to head off on the next adventure.
Exactly. So we just wanted to come on here mainly to give you guys an update, to let you know what's been going on, where we're up to, and really just to say how much we are so grateful for you guys for supporting us in this journey, from watching us from the very start to just joining us along for the adventure. We've absolutely loved it. It's been such a unique experience.
We've had the most wonderful time living on the boat. It's been an epic adventure. We've learned so much about boating and so much about ourselves and each other. It's been fantastic.
It really is. And yeah, it's not the last from us, but we do want to just mention that me in particular, I've actually found vlogging and doing YouTube and being public like this and really quite challenging, if I'm honest. Vlogging isn't for everyone, especially if you're trying to make a living off it. But anyway, I won't be doing so much videos. Ula, if she does, because she's mainly been the brains of this whole operation. You know, I mean, most of the stuff has come from her beautiful creative mind, and it's fair to say. And I've just followed her lead and really tried to learn, but struggled along the way.
Yeah, it's been tricky, a little bit tricky for you, hasn't it? But as you say, it's not for everybody, so...
It isn't for everyone, but I'm glad I've tried it, and I'm so glad that we've got those memories to look back on. And again, I really do want to reiterate that we couldn't have done it without you guys. Following us, supporting us, absolutely loved reading all the comments.
Yeah, Go on. No, I was saying thank you all so much for the support, also through buying us the cups of coffees, teas.
Yeah.
That's just been so wonderful. Thank you very, very much.
Putting up with our advertisements, our sponsorships that we've done, and that's helped us, you know, earn a living and continue to do that. So appreciate your support on there. I was going to say something else, but I can't remember now. We love you guys.
We do. Thank you so much. This is not the end necessarily for me.
No.
With making videos.
I'll be about, but yeah. This is just a video to say thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Updated you that the boat is sold. It's gone to an awesome owner, and we're now out of the boat, put our stuff all in storage, and we're now ready to embark on the next adventure.
Yeah.
We love you guys. Thanks again.
Mwah. Bye.